A teen and his grandmother busted with guns and ammo, seized after a burglary arrest. Chris Talk starts right now. Let's get into it. Welcome, listeners. I am your host with the most, Chris Talks. Welcome to the show, new listeners and old listeners. All right, so let's get into this. This particular story is going to bring us to Newark, where a teen and his grandmother are busted for guns and ammo seized after a car burglary arrest. All right, I'm going to let Sarah, my AI, report the story, and I'll give my view and my opinion at the end of it. Let's get into it.
Thank you. Chris and Secaucus police originally charged Maliki Isaac, 18, with burglary and theft for the vehicle break-in and released him last month. A deeper dive by members of the department's anti-crime unit led them to even more serious offenses. Police Chief Dennis Miller said, after obtaining an arrest warrant, the detectives scoop up Isaac on Springfield Avenue in Newark on Thursday, April 4th. Members of the Essex County Prosecutor's Office and the Federal Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco and Firearms, ATF, then joined them in a court-approved search of Isaac's home on Muhammad Ali Avenue. The chief said, they found a 9mm Sig Sauer handgun and a .40 caliber Glock 22 that had been reported stolen out of Winston-Salem, NC. He said, both were loaded with high-capacity magazines. Miller said, the team also seized more than 400 rounds of rifle ammunition and found a .38 special revolver in Isaac's grandmother's safe, leading to her arrest. As well, the chief said, Linda Stiegel, 63, of Newark was charged with a gun registration violation and released pending court action. Isaac was charged with illegal weapons and ammo counts, among other offenses. He remained held in the Essex County Correctional Facility in Newark pending court action. Back to you, Chris.
That's crazy. All right, drop my bomb so I can get right into this. That's bugged out, man. That is really bugged out. Old lady like that. That's really bugged out. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the part of the show where I give you my point and my view. Where I give you my view and my opinion. Okay, so I just want to mention this. Can we give the grandson a dummy buzzer real quick? Definitely. This. I don't know what's wrong with this young boy. Why he bring all that drama to his grandmother's house? Now, I'm gonna say this. Usually, when the grandparent is around like this, either one or both parents are lacking, and taking care of them. So let's give them the dummy buzzer for lacking, because I'm pretty sure his parents are out there. I will take it back just in case. We'll find out if they have passed, because they could have passed. But usually in these situations, where the grandmother is taking care of an 18-year-old, the parents are not involved. Neither one of the parents are. Neither one of the parents are involved.
Wait, what?
Or probably just one parent involved. But let's get off of that and get right back to this. The point I'm making is this. This is an 18-year-old boy who brought this drama to his grandmother's house and got his grandmother's house. I said her. Sorry about that. His grandmother's house raided. Apparently, the house is raided. And this woman, the grandmother, we looked up a little backstory on her. That the gun that she had was legal and it was in a safe. It's just that she forgot to, I guess, recertify her gun license. Which I'm probably assuming. I'm just gonna assume that she's gonna get that dealt with and fixed. But this is something that happens a lot of time. Where was this? What does the story bring us to? Newark, Newark, Newark. This is Newark, no Newark. Okay, wherever. But this happens a lot, especially in melanin communities where you have the grandmother raising their, their, their grandchild, and they can't really follow them and keep up with them. A lot of them end up having to go come out of retirement just to take care of their grandchildren. So, you know,
Wait, what?
I'm pretty sure this woman was very busy, and let's applaud her real quick because I think what she did was right. What she did, and to me, was right, which was leaving her grandson to sit in jail. I think that was right. I think it was right.
Bruh.
No, I think that was right. I would have done the same thing. If you bring all these cops to my house because of crimes that you are committing out on the street, and we both get arrested, and I'm able to bail myself out, and you can't, then sit there. Just sit there. This is how I feel about it. Yeah, you can sit in jail like that. Oh, that's so sad. That is so sad.
Bruh.
Sit in jail and rest there. So I think what the grandmother did was definitely, um, definitely. I would have did the same thing, man. Because I don't know, I don't know. I know if my grandchild did something like, I will let him. Well, I don't think he would do something like that because I let you, like, you got me up, like, for real. They're dead. Listen, my son would be mad at me,
Bruh.
but no. What this woman did was right. I think it was right for her to leave her grandson in jail and let him sit there because he brought all this drama to our house. Now, they did what I would question, and my listeners, some of y'all gonna be mad, but I would question this. Okay, the ammunition which they do not explain, the ammunition that they found, who did that belong to? Who did it belong to?
Bruh.
It's over 400 rounds of bullets.
Bruh.
I mean, what civil war you preparing for?
Bruh.
I'm just being honest. That I wanted to address, but yeah, and then this woman still has to face what is her name? Can we bring up her name, please? Can you put that on the big screen? What Denise? Is it Denise? Denise, I think it is. Oh no, that's the officer. Can we pull up her name? Can you look? Okay, we got Linda. Okay, Linda. Yeah, big up Linda. Big up Linda. Thank you, thank you. Almost missed it there, but big up Linda because she did the right thing. 63 years old. What they got 9 times out of 10 is to protect her home. She probably lives alone, but do we have that? Does she live alone? Okay, yeah. So besides the grandson, yeah. So yeah, she's just doing what 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 she can do or what she's permitted to do as a citizen, which is own a firearm. I guess a license. Can we get that right? Was the license expired? Okay. All right. Well, there was something wrong with the gun. but I'm assuming it was the license, because usually, um, nothing really expires but the license. So if you don't update the license, me, well, I know, me knowing people who own firearms, like owners of firearms. I think there is a procedure where you have to like renew your license, something like that. I think there's a procedure where you have to do that, and I guess this lady was late on it, or whatever. She failed to do it, so for that, she's probably going to have to pay it. But I don't think that she will be, uh, that there'll be any charges unless her gun was used in one of the crimes that her grandson had committed. But yeah, grandson out there running around, you know, doing all type of yeah. Even if he get out, if they give him probation, which they might, because he's young, and let's see, um, when we pulled up, this wasn't his first offense, was it? No, okay, so it wasn't his first offense because he's been arrested. Uh, I'm not how many. I'm not gonna say the number, but more than 3 times on petty drug charges, minor things, minor drug charges. Like fines and stuff. But at the same time, his name is still, they in the books.
Bruh.
They know who he is.
Bruh.
Yeah. So yeah. So that's my view. That's my opinion. This kid got exactly what he deserved. I don't. It's sad that the grandmother had to go through that situation because of what her grandson was doing. But at the same time, it's actually probably good that she went through that situation. This way, if she forgot, for whatever reason that she failed to renew her gun license, now she could go back and get done what needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? That's just my view. That's my opinion on that. This guy is going to go to jail and he's going to sit there for a while. All right. Uh, yes, thank you. All right, listen. I want to thank all my listeners for tuning in. You could be anywhere else in the world, but you are here with me. Also, hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Feel free to share and also leave a comment. Check us out on our other social media platforms. They're right there on your screen. On your screen. Also, stay blessed and not stressed. Ladies and gentlemen, until next time, peace.